In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create batch invoices using QuickBooks Online Advanced. This is a powerful tool that can save you a considerable amount of time and effort, especially when dealing with large volumes of transactions. Let's dive right in and go through the process step by step. First, head over to your QuickBooks Online Advanced dashboard. You want to start by clicking on New, located conveniently at the top left corner of your screen. It's here that you'll need to select Batch Transactions from the drop-down menu. This action takes you to a table view specifically designed for batch processing, where you'll enter all the necessary information related to your invoices. At this point, it's crucial to identify the type of entity you're dealing with. So, look for the drop-down at the top left of this table view and select Invoice as your entity type. By doing this, QuickBooks knows you're planning to create a batch of invoices. Next up, set the action you want to carry out to create. This ensures that the software understands that your intention is to generate new invoices and not modify or delete any existing ones. Familiarizing yourself with these basic settings is essential as they form the foundation for the transactions you're about to perform. Once those foundational steps are completed, it's time to get your data ready. You have a few options here, depending on your preference or current workflow. You can import all the data if you have a file ready to go, which is a highly efficient way to manage high volumes of invoices. Alternatively, for more accuracy or smaller tasks, you can manually input the data field by field. And if you already have the necessary information assembled in another format, copying and pasting directly into the table is another viable option. Each method has its benefits, so choose the one that suits your needs best. After you've filled in all the required fields, there's one final step. Direct your attention to the Save button, click on Save, and you're done. QuickBooks will process your entries, and there you have it. A batch of invoices efficiently created without the hassle of entering each invoice individually. And that's all there is to it. Through leveraging batch transactions in QuickBooks Online Advanced, you've significantly streamlined your invoicing process, saving you and your business both time and resource. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you now feel empowered to manage batch invoices like a pro. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on mastering QuickBooks Online Advanced.